Quick, easy and incredible delicious. That's what these vegan and gluten-free brownies are all about. You can whip it up in no time with only super healthy ingredients. To start, we'll be using a butternut squash, cut in half and baked with the skin on to bring out its natural sweetness. Don't worry, you won't taste the butternut squash in the final brownie at all. It just makes the brownie super moist and fudgy. First, we'll make a puree. Simply scoop out the flesh and blend it in a food processor with dates and chocolate. I use 100% cocoa chocolate with no added sugar, but choose any dark chocolate you like. All the specific measurements you need are listed in the info box beneath the video. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this recipe and subscribe to join our recipe community and never miss a new video. We put the puree in a bowl and add all the remaining wet ingredients. Nut butter, maple syrup. Then we simply mix the ingredients into a smooth mass. We add a pinch of salt, cocoa powder, finely ground almonds, and buckwheat flour. We also need a bit of baking powder and baking soda. No need to worry about complicated steps. See? Super easy. We simply mix all the ingredients together. Now let's spread the brownie butter onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Make sure the butter doesn't spread beyond an 18 by 28 centimeters area. We'll bake these gluten-free and vegan brownies in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius with steam for about 20 minutes. Baking times can vary, so keep an eye on them. Okay, so this next step is totally optional, but it adds a delicious touch. We're going to top these brownies with a general drizzle of melted chocolate. Feel free to skip the step if you prefer a less indulgent treat. And there you have it. I recommend serving them warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. For the full recipe, check out the link in the top right corner. And if you're looking for more delicious gluten-free and vegan options, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos like my popular gluten-free and vegan waffle recipe. Enjoy! See you in my next video. Bye bye!